Hello, actually, let's read the question. The question says here, blister copper is refined by stirring molten impure metal with green logs of wood because such a wood liberate hydrocarbon gas like CS4. This process this process X is called dash and the metal contains impurity of Y is dash. So the question is asking about blister copper. What is blister copper? Blister copper is a impure copper. Is a impurity of the copper. This is an impurity. So this blister copper needs to refine. So this refining process, this blister copper refined by stirring molten impurity metal. So this is refined by the stirring molten impure metal with with green logs of wood. So this stirring molten impurity metal added with green logs. This is because that means a wood. This is given in the question. A wood liberated by the hydrocarbon because a wood the wood contains some carbon that is this is a living organism. It contains some carbon, that is it contains some hydrocarbon like CS4 methane. The process of X is called as, so in this process the X is known as the process that is X. The process is known as, what is the process for the impurity, for the removal of the impurity in the blister copper. So this process is known as polling process. So X, that is process is known as polling process. Then and metal content impurity of Y is, so what is the impurity impurity, that is Y is impurity. The metal content the impurity, copper content the impurity. So what is that impurity is copper oxide. Copper in its oxide form. So this is the impurity, and this copper oxide, that is copper oxide, are removed or are purified by the process which is known as polling process. So here X is polling and y is equal to Cu2O. That is correct answer for this question is option number B. I hope you understood it. All best of luck.